Within our One Mallorca boutique, we're pleased to present you with a selection of exclusive properties for exclusive clients just like you. Rustic finca and beautiful Esporles with views over the mountains. Situated on the outskirts of the charming village of Esporles, towards the southeast of the island, Esporles is filled with culture and Mallorcan local delights. This country home sits on a very large plot, has beautiful views towards the mountains, and is in a largely protected nature reserve. This rustic finca style home offers wonderful views, and its unique charm and traditional style are wonderful to behold. A stone's throw away from the village, offering weekly markets and both a Mallorcan and cosmopolitan culture, this is a fabulous finca for anybody wanting to be outside the box. One Mallorca, protecting the interests of our clients since 2013.